Is your iPhone front camera stuck on a black screen, turning your selfies into a mystery? Don't let a faulty selfie camera ruin your day. This video will guide you through the most common fixes to get your iPhone front camera working again. First, let's check if another app is hogging your front camera. Close all open apps by swiping up from the bottom of your screen and swiping each app card upwards to quit, then reopen the camera app. Still black? Try switching to the rear camera and then back to the front camera within the camera app. A simple toggle can sometimes reset the connection. If that doesn't work, a forced restart can often resolve minor software glitches. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Then press and quickly release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Outdated software can also cause camera issues. Go to Settings, then General, and tap Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Sometimes, the camera app itself needs a fresh start. Navigate to Settings, then Camera, and tap Reset Settings. This will revert the camera app to its default configuration without affecting your other data. Physical obstructions can also be the culprit. Gently clean the front camera lens with a soft, lint-free cloth. Avoid using abrasive materials that could scratch the lens. If after trying these steps your front camera is still not working, it's possible there's a more involved hardware issue. In that case, contacting Apple support or visiting an authorized service provider would be your next best step. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be well on your way to capturing those perfect selfies again.